Hello friends! Let's practice science and English with Miss Bivins. This is the second video in the series, Photosynthesis. Just like the last video, in this lesson you will follow along with me by watching the video and responding to questions on an assignment in Google Classroom. Pause this video as you need in order to type your answers. In the last video, we learned that plants make their own food. Now we need to learn how they do this and where they do this. What is it? This is photosynthesis. It is the name of this process. Here is the official definition. You need to open your Google Doc to answer number 1. Number 1, what is the definition of photosynthesis? The process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their own food, called glucose. That's the name of the food they make. Most of what we learn about photosynthesis takes place within the leaves of a plant or tree, but other parts are important too. Let's review. Here is a tree. Please remember that this is one leaf. It ends in an F, but if it's plural, if there's more than one, 2 or more, then it becomes leaves. Leaves with a V. So there are several leaves here. This brown part in the middle is very strong. It's called the trunk. Trunk. Where have we heard that word trunk before? This is the trunk of a car. Never ever put anyone in the back of the car. It's very dangerous. So this is the trunk of a car. You may have heard trunk of an elephant. This is the trunk of an elephant. It's its nose. So there's another word we need to know about trees, plants. These are the roots. So you have the leaves and the trunk. Then under the ground, underneath, we have roots. Where have we heard the word roots before? Well, these are hair roots. This woman has dyed her hair blonde and her roots are coming in brown. What about in math class? Square root. Well, here's a square root symbol. So you've heard about square roots in math. Roots are important, and this is the next definition on your Google Doc. The part of the plant where the water and minerals enter the plant from the soil or dirt. That's what roots are. Trunk, the main body of the tree. And in plants it's called a stem. Stem. Here's another important word, sunlight. Sunlight is light from the sun. It provides the source of energy for photosynthesis. There are 2 more words we need before we learn where photosynthesis takes place. So when you see the suffix chloro, I want you to think of the color green. The suffix is the beginning of the word. So if you see something that begins with chloro, I want you to think of the color green. Let's try it. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means a material in green plants that can turn water, air, and sunlight into food. And this is your next definition on your Google Doc. There's that suffix, chloro, chlorophyll. Here's another example. Chloroplast. So here is a leaf cell, and within the leaf cell are several organelles, and these are the chloroplasts. Each chloroplast is an organelle in a cell that contains chlorophyll and is where photosynthesis takes place. So inside each of these chloroplasts are those individual chlorophylls. We're going to watch a video about photosynthesis. And why does it begin with an omelet? That's the next question on your Google Doc. So this is an omelet. Press pause now, go to your Google Doc and watch a video. It lasts just a little more than a minute so that you can answer the question. When you're finished, please come back and we will continue. Pause this video and click on the link on your Google Doc. Please return to this video afterwards. Welcome back. So, what do the omelet and photosynthesis both have in common? How are they the same or how are they similar? Well, the omelet has several ingredients, and so does photosynthesis. Several ingredients are needed and a heat source. For the omelet, it was the fire on the stove. For photosynthesis, the heat source is the sun. We will now review some of those necessary ingredients for photosynthesis to take place. Again, please pause this video and click on the link of your Google Doc. It's just a minute long, and then you'll return to this video afterwards, please. Welcome back. We're almost finished. So what are the 3 ingredients needed for photosynthesis? Make sure you're adding these to your Google Doc. What did you get? Did you get carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight? That's exactly correct. We will explore the next steps of photosynthesis in our next video. Until then, go to the Quizlet link in Google Classroom to build your vocabulary knowledge. Make sure to contact us if you need anything. Thank you.